Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to use image references in MidJourney version 4. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do first of all is to go to MidJourney.com, okay, MidJourney.com, and also you need to make sure you are logged in your Discord account. You can use your you can download Discord or you can use the online one. Okay, you don't really have to download, actually you don't have to download Discord if you don't want to. And make sure you also have an account, a Discord account. And now let's go here to MidJourney, join the beta, click on it, and then you join in MidJourney, and now you are part of this server. And here now we have to click on add server because we'll want to use MidJourney in our server, in our personal server, like this. So you don't have to see, no one will see your the images that you're using, that you have that you created using MidJourney. So it's more private and it's not clouded. I think it's more simple, like you only see your image that you created. Okay, you can also use MidJourney. Here you go, but here you can use MidJourney, generate a lot of images. But you can also see the other images that people have generated, and it's kind of annoying. So add a server. Okay, click on add a server, create my own, skip this question, name your server and click create. And then go here back to MidJourney, click on this hide, if you don't see here the members, just click on show member list, and here click on the MidJourney bot and select add to server. Select your server and click continue, and now you should see here online, you should see your you should see the bot, MidJourney bot. From here you need to click on this plus and upload your the references. Okay, you can download references from Google, or you can also download references. That's what I use. Pixabay, it's free, it's better, I think. You can hear right. Nature, girl, portrait. Okay, you can use these images for free. Right, now upload your image, and right now, as you can see, I added one image, but you can upload more than one. Okay, so you can show the AI that you want to use all the images and create some art for you, some work. And now just enter here, copy, or click on the image, and then right click and select here copy image address. And now you can simply select here imagine, prompt, paste, and here you can add the prompts. Now just click enter. Okay, and let's see the result. Okay, now select the first, second, and the third image. So click on 3. Okay, and this is the result. I think it looks fantastic. Now you can right click and save the image. So I hope this tutorial helped you. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.